Hello everyone. In this video, I will teach you a strategy that I created using free TradingView indicators, specifically designed for individuals with little experience in stock exchanges, which can be easily used. Now let's immediately add these two indicators to our chart and take a look at their settings. The rules of the strategy are quite simple. For entering a long position, the price represented by the candlestick should close above the upper line of the Kıvanç indicator, and the Waddah Attar explosion indicator should display a green column above its own moving average line. I will show you how profitable this strategy has been. As you can see, it has achieved a remarkable profit rate. For entering a short position, the opposite rules should be considered. That is, if the candlestick closes below the lower line of the Kıvanç indicator, and the Waddah Attar explosion indicator also closes above its own moving average line, a short position can be entered. And a nice profit has been generated in this trade as well. Yes, as you can see, the rules are very simple. Now let's quickly look at a few trades and understand the strategy clearly. Dear friends, please watch the video without skipping and pay attention to the trades. Towards the end of the video, I will mention a small but important detail. Yes, my friends, I believe you have also noticed. You have seen more examples of long position trades because, in the backtests, I have conducted multiple times for this strategy. The profit rates for long positions have been much higher than for short positions. Therefore, I believe this strategy will be beneficial primarily for those trading in spot markets. Goodbye for now. Take care.